In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show different banner images on desktop and mobile in Shopify. When you're designing your online store, one common challenge is making sure your banners look great on every device. A wide landscape image might look perfect on a desktop, but on a phone, it can appear cropped, squished, or just not very clear. The goal of this tutorial is to help you display one version of your banner for desktop visitors, and a different, more mobile-friendly version for people browsing on their phones. First, head over to your Shopify admin and open your online store. Then, go into your theme settings. From there, click on Customize to open the theme editor. This is where you'll see a live preview of your store and a sidebar with all of your sections. Find the section you're using for your banner. Depending on your theme, this might be called something like Image Banner, Hero section, or Slideshow. Click on that section to open its settings. Right now, you probably have just one image set up that displays on all devices. The idea is to prepare two versions of your banner image. One optimized for desktop, usually wider and more horizontal, and one optimized for mobile, usually taller or with a clear central subject so it doesn't get awkwardly cropped. Before you upload anything, make sure both images are high quality and compressed so they load quickly. Next, upload both images into your Shopify files or directly into the section image picker. Set your main desktop banner image as the default image in the section, so that's what shows on larger screens. Then, you'll either add a second image setting for mobile if your theme supports it, or you'll duplicate the banner section so you have two versions. One that will be visible only on desktop and one only on mobile. To control which banner appears on which device, you'll use your theme's visibility or custom CSS options. Many modern themes include simple device visibility toggles, where you can hide a section on mobile or hide it on desktop. Turn off the desktop banner for mobile users, and turn off the mobile banner for desktop users. Finally, save your changes and test your store on both a desktop browser and a mobile device. Make sure the text overlay, buttons, and calls to action are readable and well positioned on each banner. Once everything looks good, publish your changes, and your store will now show the right banner image for each device.